morning everyone. It's Wednesday today. We've had breakfast and we've just got dressed, and in a minute we're gonna head on out to check out another beach which is just up the road called Crantock Beach. We've not ever been to that one before, which is surprising considering how many times we've came here to Cornwall. It's set to be another scorcher of a day today, which is brilliant news because it's the perfect weather you want when you want to go on the beach. We had a brilliant day yesterday on the beach. The kids had so much fun and Aurora absolutely loved the sand. It was her first ever time on a beach, so that's good that she really enjoyed it. I didn't think it was that hot yesterday, but it was really windy down on the beach, but as you can see from my face, I did get a little bit sunburnt, so I'm rocking the tomato look today. We might go and check out Nuki in a bit. We don't want to stay on the beach all day today because we've not packed up a picnic. We just wanted to get out nice and early. It's about 9:30, and yeah, catch in with you when we get to the beach.
Nice roof, aren't they? Thatch roof.
Lovely little village this is.
Isn't it? Surfboard. Nice. Not far away now.
Oh my god, this is tiring. Get pulling, Joshua. Oh. Oi. Lovely white sand. Nice and soft. Oh. I'm glad we've not brought the pushchair down here. So this is our spot for the next few hours. He's just setting up the beach tent. Got our chairs there. What? And they've just got all the buckets and spades out.
You took the front, Joshua.
And this is my lovely view. You getting in that water? Bet it's going to be freezing. It looks like a lazy river, doesn't it? It's just floating along.
It said on the sign that it's 13 degrees.
What, right now?
The water.
13?
Yeah.
20 degrees today, isn't it?
Yeah, and it said on the board...
Those houses up there must have an amazing view.
Yeah. It said it has 13 degrees of water. So yeah.
Why don't you walk over there and show everyone what it looks like?
Yeah. Must be funny. Are you stood in it? I do like this sand, it's a lot better than the other one. Looks nice and clear. Let me take you down.
Watch it.
If hopefully I don't slip, because it is really slippy. But this is the water. It looks very clear and deep, so I'm excited to go in there.
Peekaboo! Aurora! Aurora! Does anyone else's kid not leave the hat on? Because this little monkey down here drives me mad chucking a hat off. You can see it's just down there. If not, anyone have any suggestions on ways to keep the hats on, because she literally leaves it on for a few seconds and then it's straight back off again. But we don't want her head getting burnt. Alfie's already been busy over there, hasn't you, digging a hole? Lots of buckets and spades and ice cream cones down there. Are you going in there? Into our nice little setup? Why won't you leave your hat on? Why won't you leave your hat on, you little bugger? Is it nice in here? Where are you going? Are we going to put this hat on? Are you burying yourself? Hiya.
I got that.
What are you going to make today? Might use some of these. Turtle. Look, Archie's got his hat on.
You have to get your hat on.
Yeah, she keeps chucking it off. She's a monkey.
Who's that monkey?
Try and distract her. What are you going to build me then, Archie?
Wait there.
Alright, your Spider-Man hat.
Tall?
That'll stop you from getting a burnt head, won't it? What are you building? See what I mean? Straight off. This stays on your head. What, Alfie?
I just seen a crystal.
You've seen a crystal?
Yeah.
You're digging for some treasure? What? What you found? Oh, nice rock. You've got those over there in the water already. They're right water babies. And that baby over there is itching to get in. What are you digging? You digging for some treasure?
Yeah.
Are you going to find me some shells today?
No! On, head.
Right, hold both hands. Let's hold our hands while we walk down to the water. See what's going off down here. Archie, we're coming down here. Good girl.
I got some yogurt.
You got some yogurt? You mean water? Whoa, oh gosh, that's a bit of a drop. Down there. Oh, steady. You dropped your bucket. Yep, hat's off again, David.
Oh, what?
Let her have a little paddle first. Hat's off again. Hat's off again. How am I meant to come down? I'm going to sink if I go down there. It's not deep, is it? Bit cold. Is it a bit cold? You ain't dare, Alfie. It's freezing. Is it cold, Archie? What are you doing, Archie? You're burying yourself.
Put it on the sandbag so it gets dead.
Archie.
Oh,
That's going to be on your neck. You're going to have to wash it off in a minute, aren't you? Don't put it in your mouth, look. Rora. Rora. Baby just chilling in there. This one here's got very burnt yesterday, and her foot here is swollen up. Yes. So playing with skipping rope. You're washing off, Archie. Go and wash it off then, matey. Go and wash it off then. Come sit down and wash it off, aren't you? Wash it off then. Are you washing it off? No? Come on up here. Beautiful day again. What a beautiful day it is. What are we doing, Joshua? Is it better than yesterday? I'll make some for you in a minute. We'll set some up, yeah?
Just sitting with my feet up, resting my swollen foot while watching my favourite ladies, Crystal Clouds UK, Sharon and Nikki. With a lovely view over there. Hi!
Hiya.
Rora! Joshua's busy over there. He's dug the biggest hole and now he's starting to build some castles around it. Yeah.
How deep we going, Joshua? Wow. It's getting deep. Nearly a metre. Right, yeah. Ruby's in here, she said it's cold. Bear in mind it's 22 degrees out here and she sat there with a coat on. What are you doing down there? You stand up, is she, Josh? No. Hey. It's deeper than there, that is, Joshua. Laura. Stop chucking this hand, please. Laura. Josh is a bit red, even though I'm putting suntan cream on him.
She wants to get out.
Laura! Laura!
Who's it gonna be? Hiya! Welcome to our dance party! Our DJ is gonna play all of our favourite Seaside Squad songs. You'll hear songs from all of the Seaside Squad's Seaside Sounds album. Come and join us on the dance floor! You gotta get me out of this game. Get you out of this game. You gotta get me out of this game.
Let's make sure the seaweeds go down. When we level up, then the crowd will go out. A second chance, gotta grab it and go. Maybe this time we'll hit the right notes. In a minute, so the time. I see the stress. Here to have beach defense. So the sun will shine. The beach will go. The beach is clean. It's our roll. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Seaside Squad, we're here to save the world. Cleaning up the beaches for the boys and girls. We're getting out like a sea, we will know. And George Jackson roaring, here we go.
It's a yummy steak. Lovely. Bit of peppercorn sauce.
Because she was asking. She was asking about it, wasn't she? Is that pamper still there?